I was around at the very, very early stages of Roots and Shoots, I was in Dar es Salaam at a time when the first Roots and Shoots coordinator, who I don't think had even been appointed as a coordinator, Nsaya Kionra, was giving art classes to the beach children in front of Jane's house. I know the difference that it began all those years ago to make in Tanzania. And then, of course, I was fortunate enough to travel and work with Jane and visit schools in the United States and other parts of Europe, and to meet colleagues from all over the world, and to attend the wonderful mentor meetings in Whidbey Island, and to just see the growth of Roots and Shoots around the world. I was very lucky because I grew up in the country surrounded by animals, but so many young people don't have that opportunity. And I think to see inner city children inspired and engaged and learning about their surroundings, even if they're not exotic, learning about beetles or worrying about local trees or having concern for people in their community, can bring the most wonderful new dimension to lives. Since then, we've gone on to have the gatherings at Windsor Castle. So I've met all great number of young people who are now our leaders from around the world in Roots and Shoots, who are making a terrific difference in their countries. And I've also had feedback from adults who have been through Roots and Shoots, who have based their lives on their philosophy and their ongoing ethics on the things that they learned through our program. So I know how important it is 30 years later, and I'm just very, very proud to have been part of it. I was deeply honored, very surprised, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be included among so many other people for whom I have such respect. The other awardees, many of whom I have known for a great number of years. It's very exciting and a great privilege to be part of that.